Good afternoon, just Jeremiah here at Umpqua Hot Springs in the parking lot. Shouldn't be camping here, big no-no. If you do it, keep it clean. This looks messy now because it is messy and I'm about to eat and clean up. I just got done patching up my fingers. They look like shit. Yeah, they're not good. This one's fine, I think. This one isn't. Ow. I'm cooking. Yum, some peppers and some onions and some coconut oil. I'll use that as a base with some red beans and rice. Some Kashmir Indian spinach. So $1 for the rice. That was actually pretty cheap. That was like $1 for that. Some concentrated bone broth chicken to make up for the spices that the onions and peppers will steal out of all this stuff. And yeah, it's gonna be good. Indian and Mexican, I mean, whatever, I'm weird. But just the fact that I'm gonna have like produce in there. I haven't been really eating much out here. It's nice because when I stay stimulated, I don't really need to. But I also need to because I stay stimulated. So yeah, it's take time for me time. Smoke's moving in. You want to check it out? Yeah, this onions are fine. Yeah, check it out. So, definitely don't want to do a fire here right now. There's actually a big forest fire just 13 miles away. Driving here, the road had just opened up again because they contained the fire somewhat, 70% contained. And this is over east of Roseburg. I have a feeling the fire section of my journey is about to start. Running from fires again, getting kicked out of the forest. But yeah, driving here from Roseburg, there was actually burning logs falling off a cliff into the road. And it was still open. It was crazy. So there's a fire 13 miles away. The smoke's moving in today. It looks like it's definitely moving in. Oh. So, no fire. You really can't see how bad the smoke is like that, but oh my gosh, I had so much fun yesterday. Like people overload, so many beautiful people to hang out with. I saw my friend Jenica from Mount Shasta and her friends, and they loved having photos taken, so we rolled around and did all sorts of photo shoots. And like since I lost my camera, I haven't done many photos. And honestly, I love female photography and nature. It's just, you know, some of my passions combined, especially surrounding water, waterfalls, underwater, hot springs, fuck yeah. So we had a blast and they loved it, and I got some really fucking awesome shots. You know, I could get my Instagram going and just start it from this. I wanted to like go back, get all my backlog stuff, but Freediving Fanatic with Unscore, not Freediving Fanatic, that's what it was. Freediving Fanatic is my old Instagram. Feel free to check it out. You can see all the shit that I had up before I got hacked. But Just Jeremiah's Journey with underscores is my new Instagram. I haven't started posting it, but I'm really gonna start taking photos, and I want to integrate that part of the experience in for you guys because you're awesome. Speaking of you guys being awesome, there's a lot of comments, and honestly, I'm so backlogged I hardly have service. Like, I've not been able to keep up. By the time I get to them all, I read them, but I'll give you enough energy responding to them. So hopefully when I get to the 1,000 subscriber mark, I'll do like a weekly, like 6 p.m. at Saturday or whatever, you know, a live 1 hour feed. And I can answer all sorts of questions and you can interact with me. And I just need to reach that 1,000 mark. If you're willing to help spread the word, I need like 120 more right now. By the time you see this, I might only need 70, but that's because it's taken forever to load these. And I really haven't been anywhere I could. Guess we'll get back to my food and my mess. You gotta make sure the onions are caramelized. You gotta cook them slow, which means you gotta be patient, but they gotta have the brown to get those sweet flavors out. Let me up the heat. so much better than I have, honestly. Like when this happened, I think I pulverized the end of my bone on my finger, so it's just fucked. And I got to keep it real clean because that's a bad spot for an infection, because the outside wound could get infected and lead to the inside wound, which could lead to like bone infection. I'm like, fuck. How am I going to flip someone off if I have a bone infection? Yeah, yesterday some guy, I forget if I mentioned this, but some guy came by and he saw my hand and saw me whining and pointed out that he didn't have fingers. He had no fingers. Reminded me of someone who commented on my post recently. They said, I was sad about having no shoes until I met a man with no feet. Honestly, it put me in check. I haven't whined as much since. And in comparison, my back pain, like, that pinched nerve thing is starting to relieve. And this, by comparison, is like nothing. At first, it was horrible. And this hurts a lot, but I'm just so used to it. I've been without pain medicine with some severe pain for like over 2 weeks of nonstop pain. And yeah, so I'll get through this. It'll be like 6 months till the fingernail grows back. I'm totally going to do the remove the fingernail video, and I don't know who here's going to love that video. Totally going to do it. It's going to be gross. I'm going to give it time so it comes off easy, but you'll get to see it. When you come to Umpqua, I'll mention later, but that new tub, I helped dig it out last year. And yeah, the rocks there are going to be, that it's built with, that's what smashed my finger. So when you see that tub, you'll know that my efforts helped make it, and that's why I've got this. I think I'll ramble more later. I love you. I'm just chilling. You guys are awesome. My support group. Honestly, I mean that. I have friends and I have family and I have road dogs, but it's something special to having like strangers who are so supportive and care about me, and it gives me a lot of faith in the world, and I think it should do the same for you. Please share anything you want in the comments. I'd love to hear more about you. And I'm sorry that I don't give you the proper responses that you deserve for having put so much energy into watching these videos. And so yeah, thank you. Just know that I do appreciate you, and I really should actively take more steps to show you that. But I'll do what I can and try to give you what you deserve. Till then, I'm going to go enjoy and try to make some time for content. Do you like the interview? Should I do more interviews? Should I do more rambling? Should I talk about the history of Umpqua and like research stuff? Like, what angle can I do while I'm still at Umpqua? I'll be gone by the time I see the message, but I'd love to see what angle you'd like me to content create around. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Itsy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Let's go, come on, buddy. He looks poisonous-ish. He just crawled up my leg. I just stayed chill. Even if he is poisonous, he doesn't want to hurt me. It's cute.
It's so cute.
Oh. I have been having spider bites lately.
Yeah.
Dude, I've been living outside for over a year and haven't had any insect repellent the whole time.
Mostly just those fucking horse flies up here.
Where are you going, buddy? Your eyes are cool. You trust me? Here. Get on my hurt finger. You're good. You sure? Put you somewhere cool. You can do it, come on. Trust me. Yep, you trust me. Cool. Oh, there he goes. He trusted me. There you go, guy. You don't want to be in it. Oh, you're not hitching a ride. That's my stuff. He likes me. Oh, sorry. You're cute. Thanks for trusting me. What a pretty spider. Check out this escape artist, look. Somehow he got a web all the way up to here. Come on. He's hiding. Oh well, you see it, spider. I'm getting towards the end of a beautiful day at Umpqua Springs. I think I might roll out tomorrow. Who really knows? Look at this lighting. The sun's just shining through that filter of smoke, and it is bright orange. So pretty. Look at this. From the fire, 13 miles away. The beauty of destruction, which is just life. And the cycle. Wanted to share. So pretty. Hope you have a great evening. Hey there. Just finishing up my day. It was good. Some unpleasant parts, some pleasant parts. Not many people. The smoke is scaring people off, the fires. Sweet. I like people though. And there's not many people at the spring. They don't really like socialize as much. Everyone gets their own private pool, and it's not so much why I'm here. I think I'm done at Umpqua. Been here like a week. I don't even know. I lost track of time just living here. It's been beautiful. Who knows where I'm going? I think Roseburg for some panhandling. I need to get my funds up. I've survived like week and a half? No. I survived like almost 2-3 weeks with $200. $200 I made last week, and I still have like 60, 70, 80 bucks. I want to get some funds, maybe get some good food, and yeah, figure out what my needs are. Like, I really don't have many. Need weed, need blunts. Look at that hair. I'm just chilling. I think we're gonna sleep on this. It's a picnic table. Nice and flat. I'm gonna go north. I'm excited. Finally, I'll make it north. If I'd gone to Shasta, I would have get caught up there. But yeah, I'm gonna go north. See if I take the coast or go up through Bend. Who knows? Take care. See you guys.